Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you guys how to make 2 DIY glam decor for your dessert table under $10. They're so beautiful and so versatile, you can use them in multiple ways. To get weekly videos, consider subscribing to my channel and do press the bell notifications to get all the cool videos. Let's get started. First, we'll need a glass of any shape of your choice, and we'll need a plate, preferably made of glass, but I have this plastic plate, so I'm gonna work with this one. Next, we have a beautiful glass candle holder. It's so pretty, and we're going to use a flower vase with this candle holder. Now, all of this item you can get in the dollar store. My best friend in craft is 6000 glue. You can use the glue of your choice, such as hot glue gun or super glue. Next, we have a beautiful floral mesh for decoration. This actually from my previous project, and another type of mesh. All of these items are from Amazon, and I'm gonna post the link in the description box below. Next, we are going to make a lid for the flower vase, and for this I'm using a plain glass and a cabinet knob. This cabinet knob I got it from Amazon, and I'm going to post the link in the description box below. Let's start with the cake stand. Put the glass upside down and carefully apply the glue on the edge of the glass to cover the whole surface. We'll have to make sure that our glass sticks right in the middle of this plate. So carefully we'll place our plate over the glass, making sure it's right in the middle. Tap it gently. Turn it over so that the pressure of the glass can help the glue stick strongly. Let's set this aside and move on to our next project. Let's take the candlestick, and I'll carefully apply the A6000 glue on the edge of this candlestick, making sure it's covering the whole surface. Let's take our flower vase and carefully place it over the candlestick, making sure it's right in the middle. See, there is right in the middle. Press it together. You can adjust if you think it's not in the middle. Let's set this aside as well and move on to our next project, the lid. Take the doorknob and apply A6000 glue carefully on the surface. Let's take the doorknob and stick it to the bottom of the glass. Make sure it's right in the middle. Press it gently with your finger and make any adjustment if necessary. Let the glue dry for at least 6 hours or overnight. I left it overnight, and the cake stand is strongly secured, as well as the flower vase. Time for decoration. I cut a small piece of this floral mesh according to the bottom of this glass. I'm going to apply the A6000 glue, making sure the edges are covered properly, and you can just randomly apply throughout the glue. Make sure to cover the edge properly and gently lift the mesh with your fingers and place it over the glass edge carefully. We'll cover the whole glass edge like this. You would want to make sure the edge is secured properly, or else the mesh could come off easily. So gently pinch it with your fingers. Tap with your finger all over the mesh, making sure it's secured properly with the glass, and we'll let it dry. From the big blingy mesh, I have cut two small pieces, one for the bottom candlestick and one for the flower vase. Carefully apply E6000 glue to this mesh as well, covering the edges. And I'm using a paper beneath this mesh because I don't want the glue to leak on my table. Carefully pick the mesh up and place it gently on the candlestick. Pinch the edges together with your finger. Take the big piece of mesh and apply the glue all over. Lift the lace gently with your fingers and place it over the flower vase. I'm placing it 2 inches apart from the bottom line, and I'm going to roll it once. Feel free to use any lace at any length according to your choice. Make sure the edges are secured properly. Also, you can let me know in the comment box below if you have any questions or if there's any specific video you want to see in the future. Secure the whole placement with your fingers and let it dry. The candy jar cum flower vase is ready. It looks so pretty yet elegant. You can use it to store candy or cookies on the dessert table, or simply decorate with any flowers. The cake stand can be simply used for cakes or any dessert of your likings, or you can be creative and turn it upside down to serve dessert, chips and dips, or whatever you prefer. My DIY multi-purpose dessert decor is ready, and you can wow everyone with these simple decorations. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next week.